habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. After analyzing your audience and doing your KYC, the next is to ask, what is my objective as I go to the virtual meeting? It can be any combination of the following. We would want to introduce our organization and ourselves as a sales professional to a prospect or a new account, or you would like to identify more opportunities for additional business and revenue, possible joint activities, or provide them information or introduce services that can add greater value in the customer relationship. And at times, we would go to present in a first or initial meeting, especially in a multi-meeting or multi-stage selling cycle. We would need to go past one meeting or the first meeting and need to be recommended for the next with a higher level decision maker. So if you're dealing with the gatekeeper, the assistant, the second in command, or with procurement, you really need to focus on getting that recommendation of the person that you're meeting with right now, so that you can really come face to face with the next higher authority. Or you had the previous meeting where you presented your proposal, but both parties would need time and information to analyze what you're proposing. You would need to schedule a new meeting to address objections or to handle negotiations. Or you just need to really secure that yes answer and get approval of your proposal. What is your objective when you're going to the virtual presentation meeting? This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.